Hello everybody and welcome to a new video on the channel. I reached out to Asus and asked if they would sponsor a non-gamer. So now I'm a gaming trucker. So we're gonna unbox this for the first time. And as you can see, the plastic is still on. It's the new Asus ROG Ally X. And I will bring it on my vacation. So let's do this. And first time impressions or let's do this. I'm excited about this. See, I don't have any gaming devices, so this is my first one. Nice packaging, some instructions, and there it is. I'm gonna do this. Yes. Pretty nice plastic. And there it is. Well, the technical expire, I don't know much about it. This is my first gaming, handheld gaming overall. I have no gaming stuff. I'm not a gamer, so maybe that's where the sent me. And we have the charging brick. Nice long cable. I like that. Anything else in here? Oh, what's this? Instruction manual. In search of incredible warranty card. But one thing I'm missing in this box is a carrying cage or a bag, carrying bag. And that's, you need something to protect it with. And I think for the price, what this cost here in Sweden, it's pretty cheap that they don't give you a carrying bag for it. But let's turn it on and see. No, nothing. Well, maybe we have to plug it in first. I thought it was not fully charged, but some charge. Let's plug it in. Let's see now. Here we can plug it in down here. Maybe I think the cable will reach it. Like that. Let's see here. Like that. Now we're going. Republic of Gamers. Pretty nice screen. And the RGB light on the controllers. Just a moment. Okay, you know what we're doing? I'm gonna set it up and then I will get back to you. So, back in a moment.
Bienvenidos a México. Best we can do now is hold this position. Can't let those traps up here. Grenades for grenades if you need them. Get ready. Hold your position. Come on, they need cover fire. Grenade! Suppressive fire. Engage the enemy. Keep firing. That gun is still live.
Well, I've been trying it out for a couple of days now, the ROG Ally, and it took me 5 hours to get it working, downloading everything and so, but as I said before, I'm not a gamer, so I have never gamed on a device like this before. So, but I did try some games, and I think it takes a while to boot up or start some games with the loading time and something, but that depends on how big the games are. I probably, it's not something I do usually, so this is my first gaming device. The last time I gamed on a computer, it was about 30 years ago, so I'm not as skilled on these devices that some of you guys are. But I think it's fun, and I went on the trip and had it with me, and we gamed some, my son and I. So I think it's a cool thing to have with you. I don't understand one thing. In the United States this costs, or the going price is $799. Now here in Sweden they cost 11,000 kronor, and I think $799 is about something like 8,500 to 9,000 kronor. So I wonder why it costs so much here in Sweden. It's probably because the taxes here in Sweden are a bit higher or something, or import tax and something like that. But man, please, Asus, you have to send some kind of bag for storing this thing with the device. I think it's silly that you have to buy another storage cage for it when it's quite an expensive device, but that's just my point of view of it. But I had a lot of fun with it, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with it when I'm working. I'm going to bring this with me, and if I had some spare times or a long break or something like that, I will bring it up and I will try out some games. So far I've tried out World War II. I like that game. I like playing war games and shoot 'em up or strategy or something like that. I'm not much for playing Fortnite and stuff like that, but that is also a fighting game, I suppose. But now I can play with my children on this device, and I can join them when they are playing some games, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. So thank you, Asus, for sending me this one. It has been the most fun I had in several days, so we're gonna keep having fun. And if you're not sure if you're gonna buy this, I tell you, buy it. It's a lot of fun. If you're not a gamer like me, you're gonna learn this very fast. And another thing, I'm not a Windows person. I am a Apple fanboy. So Windows for me, that might cause some problems in the future. But for right now, I have solved the problems that I had with this in the beginning. And well, that the problems I had might be because I don't have Windows at home. I have only Apple. So that could be a problem. If you're familiar with the Windows, no problem. And for you all other guys out there and girls who are familiar with gaming and have been gaming for years, this would not be a problem for you. But for a beginner, it presented some problems, but I solved them and now I can game. So the battery time is quite good. I say I got 2 to 3 hours of gaming with no problem with the games I played. So I think you need this kind of battery, 80 kilowatts I think it was, and this is the have 1 terabyte of memory, and you need that because the games, some games are very large. So 1 terabyte, if you're unlucky, you can have somewhere between 10 and 20 games, and then the memory is full. So I recommend you get a memory card to plug in, but the memory cards are also expensive. So, but that's all I have to say about this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, do that, and you will see me in the truck with this, with me gaming when I have the time. Note that, because if I have to work, I don't have the time to game. But you will see more of this device, the Asus ROG Ally X, on this channel. So I know we are all over the place on this channel, but we do what's fun and we do what I like. And I sent some requests for, I sent 4 requests if somebody wanted to sponsor me with this kind of device, because I am a non-gamer. And I thought they always sponsor gamers, but this time they have sponsored a gamer who have never gamed. And that's nice. So thank you. See you in the next one. Hope you have a great day or week or wherever you in the world. See you later. Bye guys.